Hi guys, happy Father's Day to all the parents there around the world. Today I'm gonna cook meal for Father's Day. First you put oil. It's up to you guys how much oil you put. Next, put the garlic. Mix it until a little bit brown. Onions. I put 2 onions. Up to you, 1 or 2 is fine. Mix a little bit. Tomato. Make sure mix it brown a little bit. When it start brown, you can put the beef. I cook 2 kilo guys, so it's up to you guys. 1 kilo, 2 kilo, yeah, depends on you. If you have big family, 2 kilo is big, it's enough. Mix it. Cover your lid 15 minutes. Mix it, and if there is a water or not, make sure it dries, no more water, and you add the stock, beef stock. If you don't have stock, just add 2 cubes, beef cubes, and add 4 cups of water if you don't have stock. But if you have stock, just put stock. Cover back, leave it in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix it, and you add a potato and carrots. Mix a little bit and put back the lid. Another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, another mix a little bit guys. Then you add the capsicum, red and green capsicum. This capsicum is all from my garden. We love capsicum guys. Flavor is so delicious. Every time you cook, you have put capsicum. Cover in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, then you add the chili spicy. The spicy, up to you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. Depends on you how much you would like to add. Then you add paste, tomato paste. It's up to you then. Up to you how much you put. This is for your Father's Day. To your then you add a tomato sauce. It's up to you again how much you put, and you can add some salt also if you like. I add a salt, but some people adding fish sauce. If you add 2 spoons is enough. Then you add, and ready for the dinner. That's it. Just after you put the tomato sauce, just leave in 3 minutes and you can serve to your father. Happy Father's Day guys. I hope you like this dinner.